This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and Tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Morning guys, it's May 6, 2019. This one here I got a call for water leaking in the basement when they run the either the sink or the dishwasher. So I'm thinking that it's a drain issue. And he says he don't see any water underneath the kitchen sink. It's just down in the basement, coming down, through the wall. So sounds to me like the leaks in the wall. But we're gonna go over there and double check it. Probably have to open up the wall and see what's happening. You're looking very stylish today. Yeah, you're looking very stylish. Yeah, you're looking very stylish today. Yeah, you are. Huh? You want me to give you pets? Yeah, you love pets. You love pets, Miss Molly. Little tail on her. Got one crazy tail. Oh yeah, you got a crazy tail. Huh? You love pets. Yeah, you love being petted. Yeah, she loves attention, this dog. Anyway, guys, I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Again.
That tank. It has nothing to do with the tank. I looked at that carefully.
Okay, so we got the water's coming up over here. Could be the dishwasher. See the water coming up over here?
Yeah.
And then the drains, you probably have a window. So the drains going, the vent's going up there with the drain, and the water's, so it's dripping here. So
yeah,
we're
sometimes it runs and it drips here.
All right, well, let's take a look. Let's take a look upstairs. So you're saying, so it's over this way from where the water pipe goes up. Just so I know. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So you got a bucket here, obviously. So from the water pipe are over about 18 inches where you got the bucket.
Yeah.
So you got to be like a inspector here.
Yeah.
To see where it is.
But it'll run and drip.
All right. Let's take a look. All right. So where that hot line is, over to the vent is like 33 inches. Where that drain and vent goes up. Oh, I know where I'm at upstairs. Alright, so hot water line's there. It's that line in the wall, I bet you. So it runs over to 33, where it comes up. That's right in here. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to take all this out of here. And we're going to have to open up that wall and change that run, that copper run there. That's what's leaking, because I don't see any water at all in this base.
Yeah.
And it only runs when you run a dishwasher, right?
Well, no,
or the sink.
Yeah. Want me to run it?
No, you don't have to. I don't see any water in the base here at all. You did check for that, right? Nothing.
What do you mean in the base?
On this, you don't have any water down here.
No.
So it's got to be that copper line. We're going to have to cut the back of that cabinet out to get to it. That's going to be a bugger.
Want me to talk to the guy that put it in? See if there's an easy way to do it.
Alright guys, I just left that job. She's going to have the carpenter come by and open up the back of that cabinet for me. Make a panel for it. And then I'll go back and replace the pipe. I mean, it's got a real thick base. It's like 5/8 plywood on the back of that thing. So she wants the guy to do it that put the cabinets in and just put them in. So definitely that copper pipe running in the wall going over to that vent drain. Guaranteed that's where the problem is. So once it's opened up, I'll go back and replace the pipe and do my thing. driving. I know you love driving. You love driving.